So guys, on our timeline we have our footage and the background music. Suppose we want to add some voiceover in our project. For that, go to right side. We have an icon here which is called record. Single left click. Now we have several options here. The first one, input device. If we click on this drop down, we may have several options like your laptop built-in microphone and the external microphone. After the selection is done, we can check here that our microphone is working or not. Then the next option, echo reduction. Suppose we are inside a hall room or bathroom where we could have a lot of echoes. If we are in that situation, we need to check the echo reduction. Then we have mute project. If we check it, all of the background music in our project will be muted until our recording is finished. Now let's start recording. So as you can see here that our recording started. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Suppose we are done. Then to trim the clip, move the mouse to one of the corner, drag it, left click, hold, drag, position it where you want. Now suppose our audio have some background noise. For that, go to right side, noise reduction. So guys, that's how easily we can add voiceover in CapCut. Thank you guys for watching. Have a good day.